In today's fast-paced industrial environment, long training times and inefficient problem-solving slow down productivity. Imagine a worker spending a year or more getting trained, relying on outdated paper manuals. Information is messy, hard to find, and when you forget something, you are forced to dig through thick, complex paper documents. If something breaks down, you have to wait for a technician to come on site, wasting valuable time. But with Genie Smart Assist, tasks become more manageable and easier. It provides step-by-step work instructions, images, and augmented reality AR overlays directly on your iPad or AR glasses. In the event of equipment failure or malfunction machine error detected, the workers can scan the QR code on the machine and receive step-by-step guidance from AI through their AR glasses. They can also give voice commands to access troubleshooting information, allowing them to work hands-free without interrupting their workflow. If a worker struggles to understand voice-assisted AI instructions, they can seek help from expert through remote assistance. Technicians use mobile, iPad, AR glasses or wireless cameras to receive remote expert guidance, reducing downtime and solving problems faster. With Genie, your workforce is empowered, operations are optimized, and your productivity soars.